Elizabeth, if you want to do that last patch job down there, you're more than welcome.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, you want me to bring up a piece of drywall?
Oh, do you got a piece?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work.
Because there's one there and there's one over there I came up through the closet and brought it over.
The closet over there.
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was too hard to try to figure out. Plus, I think what happened here is, I think they have a double plated 2x4.
Oh, that makes sense.
You know,
sure.
And I didn't want to have to go through there.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay.
Now I did save those two.
I see them down there.
The two little, you know, I don't know whether you want
I might be able to make them work.
You might be able to break the. Yeah, they're already cut the size, but you're probably going to have to. I don't know whether you
I'll
can
put a backing on it, like a piece of wood. And
Yeah.
there's
There's a paint stick here.
Yes, that's what I'll use.
And there's those 1.25 drywall screws right there.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll find them. Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna go downstairs and see if I can make room. And actually, if you want to start with putting the handles on.
I will, but you need to tell me where you want them.
Okay.
I
was about ready to tell you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Gotta be a little quicker than that.
I'm ready to tell you.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
you want a string with a magnet?
Yeah, if you got one.
bump up against that wall there?
No. I would say so.
Good job, Nancy.
Thank you. Glenn's using this handy dandy magnet to get the top of the screwdriver that he lost down well, might have been me that lost it down between the two cabinets. I don't know if he's going to want my help anymore. And I found it. I saved the day.
Yes, you did.